Behind me, the wooden construction. This is your construction site number 2 here at Respiro, Brazil, 2010. This is going to be the house of the Atlantic Rainforest Institute. It's going to be with like PET walls and bottle walls, all recycled, all natural materials, very important. And we are actually really close to one of the local schools right over here. This is Bosque da Passagem, the Rainforest School.
You should be thankful that you can be a part of the team instead of...
Here, the school is a local rainforest school where actually European people, Americans, Brazilian people with money can sponsor a kid. So you're in with about $2,000, you know, $2,000 pays the school, the food, the books, and yes, that school needs help, as you can tell. Back here, there is 70 hectares, 700,000 square meters of rainforest. We want to preserve it. Terry Hawkinson, Nicholas Miller, Tanya Frieden, all the athletes, the people from Europe. And that's going to be the house where the farmers will be, you know, overlook the whole section. Respiro Brazil, Itacaré, 2010.